If you guys don't know, I've grown that from a seed. It's about, I don't know, 5 years old maybe. Its mom used to be over here. We had to cut it down because it got sick. And I saw this little one over there trying to sprout, and I'm like, oh, we're gonna plant you. This is my blueberry bush. Again, I got that and planted it last year, so it's coming back, so I'm happy about that. And again, we're gonna go over here. We have our parsley, our gnome, sweet basil, Italian oregano. We have aloe vera. Potatoes are going in here. Well, are in here. Hopefully they grow. And over here, we just got some perennial flowers. So hopefully those will come back year after year. And we got citronella up here. I'll keep them bugs and mosquitoes away. Then we got our Better Boy tomatoes in the back. And our cherry tomatoes in the front. It's about 80 degrees right now in the shade over there. Here is our Brussels sprout section. We love our Brussels sprouts. And under this little A trellis, we got the cucumbers, which I'm going to hopefully vine up this. Get some of this dirt off here. So I hope all these do well. This is like the most I think I've planted and done. Here we got baby carrots. So hopefully this little patch here grows a bunch of baby carrots. They said they were like container carrots, so I guess you just leave it like that.